What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Another quick episode. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Thanks for taking a minute to click on the video. If you're new, guys, and you like this kind of stuff where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community, it would be pretty dope if you smash the subscribe button. And we're aiming for 2,000 subs, and hopefully we can get a project car soon for the channel as we get bigger. So your support is greatly appreciated. Do comment below, give a like and all that kind of stuff as well. As I said, you've probably seen the title. It's just a quick one. I'm just going to cover basically Mandy's latest video and Stradman's latest video. That's all I'm covering. And before we jump into it, guys, one more thing is I've made a poll for the 2020 Car YouTuber of the Year. It's in the description below. I'll even put it into the comments as well. You can vote. The list is huge. It was a very difficult list to make, but it will have most of your favourite car YouTubers on there. It's multiple choice as well. You can pick as many as you want. So get voting. We will be releasing the results maybe at the January 1st or 2nd. I haven't decided yet. So please share it, let everybody else know that this poll is going on. I don't see anybody else doing it. And it was just great to have the support on this idea that I came up with. And hopefully as we get bigger next year, it'll be even bigger again. So as I said, today's video, yes, Mandy's video, when I watched it, it was about the RWB. But the segment he had in with Houston Crosta about what is going on. So I first was made aware of this. Obviously, Life of Paulus did cover it, but he's kind of tiptoed around it and been careful about what he said. It's different for me because of where I am. I don't give a shit on too much of a small channel. I don't think it'll get enough traction for me to really care. But it looks like possibly, not saying they are, that Ferrari could be maybe not, maybe so, suing or not Houston for defamation Ferrari brand. He's been supposedly banned from his local Ferrari dealership. He was screaming at all this kind of stuff. Now it's due to a recent video that Mandy did about the Ferrari Roma. I'm pretty sure it's about that one. Houston basically just didn't like the car. Mandy was weighing the donuts in it and got pulled over by the cops, and I think it's in relation to that video. Don't quote me on it, I'm just guessing, but from you see this clip, you'll see what I mean. But the reason I bring this clip up is because these two guys are so fucking hilarious. I literally laughed out loud when Houston came out with the quote about Edmund wrecking people's lives, because leading up to this, it was Houston that was trying to get Mandy in trouble when they were in the car when he got pulled over by the cops. This has come full circle back around. There's really bit Houston in the ass, but this exchange between the two of them, just telling what happened, is hilarious. Check this out.
Someone has a history, right, of consistently fucking up someone else's life.
Yeah, a track record.
Right? It's a track record, right? So just think back, okay? And I'll just let you.
We're just gonna end the video.
Okay,
guys, I'm the good guy. Don't forget. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So Monroe.
And it doesn't matter. Okay. We won't list the multiple events. Yeah. But I go to my local Ferrari dealer today. The dealer of said question from the last video, and they literally start screaming at me. I mean, ask Tony. Screaming on the top of his lungs.
He wanted to buy a Ford GT. All right, so he went there to give him $1 million, and they started yelling at him.
Yeah, well, technically it was advertised for $850, and they said it was a mistake, so it's 1.1. So I was like, okay, whatever, not buying that car. So, anyways, my point is they're screaming at me, saying I'm never allowed to buy a new Ferrari again. I'm banned from for life. I'm not allowed on the dealership premises, and I'm getting sued for defamation. Okay, so I'm getting a letter in the mail, all because of him. No. And that's why I'm pissed off, because they don't know him. They know me, and they're gonna use his actions against me, and that's a problem.
There you go, guys. I found that so funny. It's so true. There, like, I find those two together hilarious. They're always doing something stupid to each other, and one or the other comes out the worst. But that's a pretty bad one. I mean, you couldn't blame Houston for being pissed off. I don't know if he would get around it or what's going to happen with that one, or he'll just have to go to another Ferrari dealership if he can get them, because he needs to get Ferraris for his car rental. So I don't know. The question is, what do you think? Do you think Ferrari are going to go ahead with it and actually get a letter in the post about defamation and stuff like that? I mean, if they did and he was fully banned from getting Ferraris, that would look really bad. And then just because he spoke his mind on camera about the Roma, I think that'd be pretty shit. But we'll see what happens. I just found it hilarious what was going on. And I just want to hear your thoughts and opinions below in the comments as well. Next up there, guys, the last bit as well. I just saw Stradman's this video. He did eventually buy a JDM car. I kind of guessed it was going to be the R35, that GTR he was looking at. I think it was at Makes and Models. I think it was the dealership. But he has bought it. He bought it in cash. And he said he's going to try and make it as fast, if not faster, as the Bugatti. So we will see this build, what's going to happen with it. Let me know your thoughts below. Are you glad he got this car? Do you think he should have got something else? It'd be interesting because does that alter DD's decision and what they're going to get? Because they said R35 or the R8, and you know that they really don't try and copy each other. But it will be funny if DD go and get the R35 and see who comes out with. I actually would like to see the two of them get it and see which channel comes up with a better build. It'd be quite interesting to see it. But yeah, look, it'd be cool to see what he does to the JDM car. It'd be cool if we just saw what he can do with it, and if he does get it faster than Bugatti, or do you think it was just a waste of money? He should have got something else. I don't. Your thoughts and opinions below, guys. So that is it for today. Just a quick video. Thanks very much if you watched to the end. Again, do subscribe, do get voting in that link below, and do give this video a like, get it up there, and we'll see you on the next episode, guys. So till then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.